Hello, what's your name?
My name is Lily.
Where you come from?
I come from Vietnam.
How often do you chat with your friends?
I often chat with my friend uh, about learning and playing.
So, who do you spend time with in the evening?
I sometimes spend time in the evening with my best friend.
Mm. So, what do you do after school?
After school, I usually uh, watch TV and play with my friend.
Mhm. So, do you do your homework after school?
Yes, I do. I sometimes do homework at uh, 7 o'clock.
Tell me something about your last Saturday evening.
Hmm. Last Saturday evening, I went to I went to the playground to play with my friend, and then I came home and uh, play my phone,
Mhm.
and then I went to bed.
Okay. Do you go to bed late?
Hmm. Yes, I do.
What time do you go to bed?
I sometimes go to bed at uh, 11 or 12 o'clock.
Okay. What do you often do before bedtime?
Mm, I often uh, do my homework and relax.
Mhm. So now let's talk about food. What food did you eat for lunch yesterday?
Yesterday, I ate fries with meat and vegetable.
Mhm. Did you have lunch at school or at home yesterday?
I had lunch at home.
Mhm. Did you eat alone or with other people?
I ate I ate with my family. They are my grandpa, my grandma, and my uncle.
Mhm. What food do you like to eat with your friends?
Mm, I like fried, fried chicken to eat with my friend.
Mhm. What time do you often have breakfast?
I often have breakfast at 6 o'clock.
Do you often cook food at home?
No, I didn't. I know. I know I don't because I don't know how to cook.
So who cooks meals for you?
My mom.
Okay, of course. Do you and your family often go to the restaurants?
No, I don't because my mom think uh, the food outside is not clear,
Mm.
so she cook at home.
Mm. So, do you prefer eating at home or at the restaurants?
Mhm. I prefer eating at home because sometimes uh, in the restaurant the taste is not my taste is not the food is uh, not good.
Mm. Do you eat lots of vegetables in your meals?
Yes, I do.
Tell me about your favorite food.
My favorite food is uh, chicken because it's very delicious and that's it.
Okay, thank you. So now let's move to part two. Now, here are some pictures showing different things you do at school and after school. Tell me, do you like these things? And say why or why not. Okay, you can get started with drawing.
Uh, I don't like drawing because I don't have a talent to
Talent.
talent
Mm-hmm.
to draw.
Okay, so how about your maths?
I like learning math because it is my favorite subject.
So do you think maths is difficult?
Mm, yes, I do. But if I learn how, I will good at it.
Mm-hmm. Good. So how about fishing?
I don't like fishing because it is so difficult to fi- fish, fishing fish.
Mm-hmm. So do you think social studies is important subject at school?
Uh, yes, I do because uh, it can help me to uh, understand, to know anywhere in the world.
Mm-hmm. Okay. How about watching TV? Do you like watch TV?
Yes, I do because uh, this is very interesting and it can help me to relax after the long day.
How much time do you spend on watching TV?
I sometimes watching TV uh, twice a week.
Twice a week. Okay, thank you. So now let's move to part 3. Here is a photo of a man. So look at the photo and tell me what can you see?
I can see the man is sit in a sofa, and is he is happy. I guess because uh, he is smile,
Mhm.
and in the on the table is next to he there is a fry in the table next him,
Mhm.
and I see the room behind him.
So what is he doing?
I think he will watch his phone.
He's watching something on his phone, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now look at this photo. What can you see?
I can see a mountain and many people are cleaning it. And I can see snow and I can see mm, a cloud.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What do you think about the weather?
I think the weather is very cold because it have snow everywhere.
Okay, thank you. So this is the end of the test. Thank